Uh, Quizzes on Kaguya-sama Love is War.
Kaguya-sama. It feels like some foreigner. Hello everyone, welcome back to Okasan Talk. Today we have my Weeblet friend from the Naruto quiz,
Hello.
and I also have my Imoto-san.
Hello.
Do check out their profile, guys. They are like really good artists.
Oh wow, thank you.
Welcome to Kaguya-sama Ultimate Quiz Season 1. Let me explain the rules. For each correct answer, you will get 1 point, and if you don't know, you pass it on and other person gets it. I have kind of made it category wise. So the first category is eye color.
Oh my god, okay.
I don't
the
remember
first one is-
anyone's eye color.
So let's start with Vishruta. First one is actually very, very simple, man. Vishruta, I'll beat you.
If I don't get it right.
First question is, what is the eye color of Chika?
Oh, it's pink.
What? Is that your final answer?
Wait, what?
Wait. Wait, even I don't know.
Oh wait, is it blue?
Yeah, that is correct. Vishruta gets her first point.
Thank you.
And now Radhika, eye color of Shirogane.
Some darkish yellow. I think so.
So
His
what is
eyes
your
are
final
so
answer?
small. I don't know.
And yeah, he's always sleep deprived. So
Yeah, that's
Exactly.
what. I'll just go for that darkish yellow.
that is absolutely incorrect. I'll
Oh my
pass the
God.
question on to Vishruta.
The latest video I watched was like one where his eyes change and then Kaguya gets very. So I only know the
Yeah.
answer because of that. And I think
Okay.
it's blue.
Yes, that is correct.
What the hell?
Yeah.
So the round one was like totally Vishruta is like leading by 2 points. So let's go to the second round. It will be about sisters.
Oh no.
So first question is for my sister. So Radhika, what is Shirogane's sister's name?
Yeah, I don't remember.
Seriously, I gave you the easy one. Okay, you don't know, so you'll pass it on.
Yeah.
Okay, Vishruta.
I don't know how to pronounce it. Keik.
Yeah, it is K.
K. Okay,
What
thank
the
God.
I
Oh,
should kill
man.
myself now. I'm going to perish by the end of this quiz.
So the second question, now this question is for Vishruta. It is Chika's sister's name.
Oh no. I don't remember them.
I'll pass
Don't
it on
even
to
bother
Radhika.
asking me. Don't bother.
Yeah.
Don't bother.
Oh my god, I'm so happy none of you got it. The name is actually Moeha.
What the hell? Do they even say that in anime?
Ah.
Yeah, it is when K comes around to meet them. So Shika says she is in Moeha's class and we are going for shopping tomorrow.
Oh.
Acha. I wouldn't have remembered that.
That is why it's the ultimate Kaguya quiz season 1. Vishruta has 3 points and Radhika is on 0.
Oh no.
Let's go to third phase. It will have 2 questions about each character, starting with Kaguya. First question is for Vishruta. It is, what is the thing that Kaguya loves the most, except for Shirogane, of course.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I think I know this. Finally.
Thing she loves the most.
Wait, I'm confused now.
Yeah.
I just remembered 2 things, that's why.
Wait, is it fireworks? Like one of the thing, is it fireworks?
Oh my god, and she takes it.
Yes.
Are you
God,
sure
like-
it's just fireworks? I think it is also shortcake and Chika's dog.
Oh my god, Radhika, well, props to you for remembering that.
Ah, that's what. And in that game, like 10 questions game, what she likes the most. And the answer was Chika's
Oh.
dog. So I thought maybe it's Chika's dog.
Guys, wait, no, I'll back my answer. See, there's whole 2 episode on how much Kaguya loves Hanabi, fireworks, and also there is an episode where she falls ill and she thinks about fireworks and not shortcake or pest. Not
Trying to
about
save
Chika's-
yourself.
No, I am giving you facts.
Yeah, okay. Okay, don't scream.
So the answer was guessed correctly by Vishruta and she gets 1 point. Radhika, don't lose with 0 points, then you are my sister. Oh my god.
You could have asked like some from other anime. I could have aced it. Like Jojo.
Yeah, we will do that soon. What is the club in which Shinomiya is? They all are in different clubs. Yes.
It's archery, na?
Oh,
Nice.
Yes, finally.
nice, Radhika. I'm proud of you. How did you get it?
I remember from that opening. Da di da di da.
Wow, seriously?
Yeah. Yes.
But seriously, I did not think you would get that.
You underestimated my power.
Kono Pawa. Like, what are they talking about?
They were crazy.
See, that's why you should watch JoJo.
I thought Jojo.
Now, the next round, we will start with my sister. It will be about Chika.
Oh, okay.
Radhika, what is Chika's dog's name?
Oh, frick. I don't know. That's why I kept saying Chika's dog.
While talking,
Yeah,
I
okay.
gave it away. I gave it away like while talking.
Is it from S or what? I
Start with
clearly
an S.
remember how that dog looks, but I don't know.
Okay, Vishruta, do you know?
I know it starts with a P, but I don't
Okay.
remember.
Wait. Oh shit.
Is it Puri? No, not no.
Om Puri. Sukapuri.
I know it has a P. Oh
Pegasus.
god.
Porunerefu. You both have gotten so close. So anyone can answer.
Is it Pesu?
Is it? Sounds like a dog
Yeah, it
name.
sounds like. Is it really?
Yes, Radhika gets the point.
What the hell? I literally made that up. I really don't remember.
Okay, so now we have Vishruta at 4 points and Radhika at 2 points. GG. The next question is for Vishruta. You know they play a card game,
Oh my
Oh.
god.
a board game actually. So what is the name of that game?
She gets so many games. I don't remember
That's
any of
what.
it.
Okay, wait, I'll elaborate it more. In this game, they get married, they get divorced.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it is Happy Life something.
Say
Oh
the
no.
full thing.
No. Oh my god. Happy Life game?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice one, Vishruta. And see, guys, my Weeblet friend here is developing. So now you can respect her. After that totally freaked up Naruto couple
Quiz.
she is
Oh my
doing.
god.
Oh my god. If you haven't checked it out, do check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. Yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Now there will be questions about Miyuki. You know, Chika teaches many things to
Yeah.
Shirogane.
Yeah.
So what was the first thing that Chika taught him?
Is it volleyball?
Say
I
it
think
like
it's
the
volleyball,
Japanese
yeah.
say it.
Varebar.
The Japanese are going to kill us. Okay, so Radhika, that is the correct answer. So Radhika gets 3 points and Vishruta is at 5 points. Now, next question for Vishruta. So, what is Shirogane totally scared of? Like, it scares the shit out of him.
What? I don't
I know,
remember
I
it at
know.
all. Is he afraid of heights?
That is wrong. Oh
Yeah,
my
I'll
God,
pass it because I don't remember it at all.
Okay, then the question is passed on to my sister Imoto-san. Please tell me.
Swimming.
No,
What
that
the
is
hell?
wrong.
He said he doesn't know to swim, that's why.
Yes, but he isn't afraid of it. You can say it is a living thing. Anyone can guess. Anyone can get the point. It was
I
in that
don't
episode.
remember at all.
Yeah, me neither.
Oh my god. Okay, so actually it is bugs and he also specified that it is cockroaches.
What?
Okay. So the next questions will be based on the roles. What is Ishigami's role in the student
Great.
council?
Wait. Is it treasurer?
Is that your final answer?
I
Come
don't
on,
know.
Robin.
I think I will go for treasurer because
And that
Chika
is
is
correct.
secretary. What? Seriously?
Wait, wasn't you accountant?
No.
Account?
So Radhika gets 4 points and Vishruta is still leading at 5. In this round, I have to ask one more question. Na? But this is very simple, man. The next question was actually Chika's role.
I mean, I don't pay much attention to her, so. I don't
Wait,
think so.
what? You don't
Wait, you
know?
don't know? I just said it.
Wait, Radhika.
I thought Ishigami was the accountant and Chika was the treasurer.
There is a plot twist, guys. There is a plot twist. Say it and pass it.
Okay, wait. Now let me think because now I know she's not a treasurer. So, oh my god, what does she do other than annoy people?
Play board games. I
Assistant.
can't believe this. He is a rapper.
Yoi.
Yonda, yo.
No, I'll pass it. I don't know.
Okay, Radhika.
She's secretary.
Oh
Yeah.
my god. I was like assistant and I'm. Oh,
But I was looking for the exact word because, and it is very, very easy. That's why. Actually, I thought I am being biased towards you, Vishruta.
yeah, I don't like her as a character, so I don't really
Oh my
pay
god.
attention to her character.
All the fanboys are going to jump.
Yeah, but actually, even I don't like her that much. My
Same, I
favorite
like
character is
Hayasaka more.
Hayasaka.
Same.
See, that's why we are bros.
Bros.
Bros before hoes.
And like after watching season 2 ka 11th episode, it is Ishigami. Oh my god.
Oh,
Really?
shit.
I mean, it was the first time that I cried so much where someone doesn't die.
What? It's that sad?
Yeah, because I could relate to him so much. Oh my god. So now, guys, you both are on tie with 5 points each.
Oh my god.
Come back.
Biggest
Yes.
comeback.
So let's go to the
Tiebreaker round.
tiebreaker round. Yes. So here, whoever guesses it first will get a point. What is the name of the academy?
What the hell?
Name. Oh my god. Wait.
Wait, what?
Dude. Oh my
We are
god.
gonna get bashed so bad.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Seriously, guys, I did not think it would be so difficult.
It's Shuchi something. Shuchi in.
Yeah.
Okay. So Vishruta got it.
Oh shit.
And the bonus point goes to Vishruta, and she is the winner of Kaguya-sama Ultimate Quiz Season 1.
Yes.
We are at our bonus round now. I will be giving you a character and then you'll have to draw it from memory, okay? Yeah, and the time limit would be 30 seconds, okay?
Okay.
Your character is Kaguya. Go. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I can. It is so
I
bad.
don't. I mean, I remember her face. So maybe I'll just draw her face.
Yes, come on.
Is okay.
It is so bad. You all are going to cry from laughter. I'm telling you.
Yeah, same.
Oh my god.
It doesn't
no,
even
no.
look like Kaguya. It looks like a cursed image.
You.
Guys, I'm a good artist. Please validate me. Oh my god, it looks better actually. Mine is so bad.
Radhika, what is wrong with you?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry for making you see this.
I'm really sorry.
No, guys, these both are really amazing artists. I know, like, if you put anyone up for doing it from imagination, I know even I would have stuck too. But Radhika did not expect that demonic disaster. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment down below what else would you like to see. If you want a quiz on season 2, do let me know and share it with your otaku friends. That's it for this video.
Arrivederci.